Kilpatrick Corruption Trial. The focus shifted from the mayor's pal to the mayor's dad.
7 Action News investigator Ross Jones was in court all day. And Ross, I understand the mayor saw an old college friend on the witness stand.
Well, he may be a former friend after today. Glenda, good evening. Mark-Andre Cunningham was once very close to Kwame Kilpatrick and says he knows things about the mayor that few others do.
This wasn't the kind of college reunion Kwame Kilpatrick hoped for. Today, the ex-mayor sat and listened as his former fraternity brother described giving thousands of dollars in payoffs to his father, Bernard. Mark-Andre Cunningham referred to the mayor as Kwame throughout his testimony and said he only moved to Detroit in 2005 because Kilpatrick asked him to. It wasn't long after he came here that Cunningham said he and City Pension Board member Jeff Beasley started talking about an investment. Cunningham wanted the city to pour in $30 million to a company owned by a family friend, a company that would ultimately hire Cunningham on a $300,000 consulting contract. But there was a catch, he said. In a meeting here at the Mosaic restaurant, Cunningham said he met with Kilpatrick, Beasley, and local consultant Chris Jackson. Jackson told him he needed to hire the mayor's dad. Quote, he needed to be in the mix on this one because he was Bernard. He was Kwame's dad, Cunningham said he was told. Assistant U.S. Attorney Michael Bellotta asked, did you believe Kwame Kilpatrick wanted you to pay Bernard Kilpatrick? Cunningham responded, yes, adding that the mayor would sometimes say, thanks for taking care of my dad. He said he paid Bernard several times, as much as $5,000, but sometimes as little as $3,000. On those days, he said Bernard would respond, it's a little light. Cunningham said Bernard Kilpatrick performed virtually no work.
What do you think of Mr. Cunningham?
Well, I think that it's Christmas and I'm going home.
Outside court today, defense lawyers had nothing to say about the witness, but inside they went hard at him. Bernard Kilpatrick's lawyer, John Shea, suggested that his client helped land the $30 million investment and that he'd earned his keep. Cunningham seemed reluctant to agree, though, but did acknowledge that the mayor's dad attended one meeting. The normally calm Shea sometimes lost his cool during cross-examination.
There have been darn few witnesses so far in this trial who have not said something that surprised me.
Now, Cunningham also had lots to say about Kilpatrick and his fear of the feds. Coming up at 6, you will hear what Cunningham said he did to avoid the detection of the FBI.
And this is his fraternity brother, right, Ross?
A fraternity brother, somebody who said his kids played with a lot, somebody he was very close to.
Wow. And they take a break now, right, for the holidays?
They get 10 days off, and the lawyers told me could not come soon enough.
Oh, I bet. I bet. Jurors probably feel that way, too.
Exactly.
Thank you, Ross.